The smartest way to make a financial plan for 2025, even if you're starting from zero. Imagine waking up in December 2025 and realizing that this was the year everything changed for you financially. You paid off debt. You saved more than ever. You even started investing, and now your money is quietly working for you while you sleep. But here's the twist. Most people won't make it there. Why? Because they didn't plan. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make a financial plan for 2025 that actually works, even if you feel broke right now. And if you stay with me till the end, I'll reveal the one hidden habit that quietly makes or breaks every financial plan. Most people miss it, and it costs them everything. So let's get you on the winning side. Number 1. Set a clear vision for your 2025. Before we even talk about numbers, you need to know why you want financial control. Do you want to stop living paycheck to paycheck? Save for a down payment on a home? Travel without guilt? Retire early? Every solid financial plan starts with a strong reason. When your goal is clear, your brain begins to work like a GPS. You know where you're headed. For example, let's say you want to be debt-free by Christmas. Suddenly, spending $200 on a new phone feels different. That vision helps you pause. Without a vision, you're just reacting, and reacting never leads to wealth. Number 2. Know exactly where your money is going right. Now, you can't build a financial future if you're blind to your present. Most people think they know how much they spend. But the truth is, they forget the little things. The $8 for fast food here, the $12 for a subscription there. These small leaks silently drain your wealth. So take the next few days and write everything down. Track what you spend down to the penny. You can use a simple notebook, an app like Mint, or just your phone's notes. Once you do this, you'll be shocked. You'll see patterns you never noticed before. Here's an example. One beginner did this and realized they were spending over $180 every month on food delivery. That's over $2,000 a year just gone, and they didn't even notice. Number 3. Build a simple budget that actually works. Now that you know where your money goes, let's give it a job. A budget isn't about restriction. It's about giving your money purpose. You tell it where to go, instead of wondering where it went. Use the 50-30-20 rule if you're just starting. That's 50% of your income for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt payments. But here's the secret. If your income is low, that rule can feel impossible. So reverse it. Try saving first, even if it's just $5. For example, if you earn $2,000 a month, aim to save $200. But if that feels tight, just start with $50. Small wins matter. They grow into habits, and habits build wealth. Number 4. Create an emergency fund. So life doesn't wreck your plan. Life throws curveballs. Your car breaks down. Your pet gets sick. Your hours get cut. These things don't ask if you're ready. They just show up. That's why you need an emergency fund. Start small. Aim for $500 if you're just getting started. Eventually, you want to reach 3 to 6 months of your basic living expenses. But don't get overwhelmed. Just build it one step at a time. Let's say you save $10 a week. In 1 year, you'll have over $500 saved without even noticing it. And when life hits you with a surprise bill, you won't panic. You'll be ready. Number 5. Destroy bad debt. Like a warrior. Not all debt is bad, but high interest. Debt is like an anchor tied to your future. If you're paying 20% interest on a credit card, you're working for the bank, not yourself. Use the debt snowball method. List your debts from smallest to largest and attack the smallest one first. As you pay each one off, you gain momentum. For example, if you have a $300 credit card bill, a $200 medical bill, and a $3,000 loan, pay the $300 one first. That win gives you energy to keep going. Momentum is powerful. Use it. Number 6, save for big goals before they sneak up on you. Do you want to go on a vacation next summer? Or buy a car next year? Or pay for school without loans? Most people wait until the last minute and put it all on a credit card. That's not a plan. That's a trap. Instead, break big goals into small pieces. If your trip will cost $200 and you have 12 months, just save $100 a month. That's $25 a week. Suddenly, your big dream feels manageable. Think of it this way. Big money goals are like puzzles, one piece at a time, until the full picture is done. Number 7, start investing. Even with just a few dollars, you don't need to be rich to invest. You become rich by investing. In 2025, investing has never been easier. Apps like Robinhood, Fidelity, or Acorns let you invest with as little as $5. The key is consistency. Don't wait to feel ready. Start small and grow. If you invest $25 every week into an index fund that grows at 8% a year, in 10 years, you'll have over $18,000. That's how compound growth works. Time is your best friend. Just imagine, while others binge shows, your money quietly builds a future. Number 8, adjust your taxes and keep more of your paycheck. Most people don't realize this, but if your refund was big last year, you may be giving the government an interest-free loan. That's money you could use every month. Look at your W-4 form and adjust your withholdings. Talk to HR or use the IRS tax withholding calculator online. More accurate withholdings mean more money in your hands each month, not just in April. Let's say you got a $3,000 refund last year. That's $250 a month you could have used all year long for saving, investing, or paying off debt. Smart people don't just make money, they keep it. Number 9, increase your income. Even if you have a 9-to-5 job, cutting back is great, but you can only cut so much. To build real wealth, you need to grow your income. In 2025, side hustles are everywhere. You can drive for Uber, deliver food, sell on Etsy, freelance on Fiverr, or even teach something you know online. Let's say you start a weekend dog walking gig and make just $100 every Saturday. That's over $5,000 a year, just from doing something you might actually enjoy. And guess what? You don't need to do it forever, just long enough to crush debt, fund your savings, and breathe easier. Number 10, automate everything. And stop relying on willpower. Willpower fails. Systems win. Set up automatic transfers for savings. Automate your bill payments. Set a weekly reminder to check your spending. The less you rely on memory, the fewer mistakes you'll make. For example, set your bank to automatically send $25 into savings every Friday. You won't miss it, and over time it becomes normal, just like brushing your teeth. Automation is how ordinary people build extraordinary results. Number 11, review and reset. Every month, like a pro-life, changes. And so should your plan. Every month, take 15 minutes to ask yourself, what worked? What didn't? What do I need to change? You might notice a subscription you forgot to cancel. Or maybe your grocery budget is out of control. Don't wait until December to fix things. Adjust as you go. Treat your money like a business, because if you don't, it'll run wild like a toddler with a paintbrush. Number 12, the hidden habit that decides if your plan will work. Here's the secret most people never hear. The best financial plans fail if you don't believe you can. Stick to them. Mindset matters more than math. If deep down you feel like, I'm just bad with money, you'll sabotage yourself. You'll overspend when stressed. You'll skip savings because it won't make a difference. But here's the truth. Every wealthy person you admire once felt like you. What made them different? They believed they could change, and then they acted on it. You're not stuck. You're just one plan away from turning it all around, and it starts today. Now you know how to make a financial plan for 2025. Not just any plan, a real one. One that protects you, grows your wealth, and gives you peace of mind. And if you made it this far, you already did the hardest part. You showed up for your future. Most people don't even do that. Your next step? Pick one thing from this video and do it today. Just one. The rest will follow, because the truth is, the future belongs to those who prepare for it, and you just did.